What's happening, kinfolk? Just made it home to the house, man. Again, I just want to throw this out there. Thank y'all so much for everybody that helped support this family, man, that went out on this ride today. I want to personally say thank you, and I know the family greatly appreciates it. We had a great time. I want to say to Smitty, I appreciate you letting us be a part of this, man. And the Fallon's family, if you end up watching this, much love to y'all, man, and prayers out to y'all. I really wish we could have met Fallon, but thank y'all for letting us be a part of this. I hope this video does Fallon justice and the whole event justice. So Fallon, this ride's for you. We have made it, man, for the benefit ride out here for Fighting for Fallon, man. So we met up over here with Smitty and his crew, and we also ran into somebody else that actually made it out here. So I'll show you him in here in a second. But man, look at the bikes. The turnout has been amazing so far. So that's really cool, and so yeah, we're gonna end up getting out of here in a little bit, but let me show you some of the bikes, and then I'll run you into who showed up as well.
Bikes were here first lead. I know we're gonna roll by Fallon's house for the family. That was their request. So I'm gonna have y'all lead because y'all know where y'all are going. I don't. So my crew will be in the back. We'll just follow y'all down there. Y'all know where to go. If we get lost between lights, we'll just try to catch up with y'all. We'll just keep y'all in sight. The back two bikes will be myself, Joe in the middle back there. So
are y'all gonna be filming from the back?
We're gonna be filming, yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
So, thank y'all for coming out. Like I said, I didn't even know Fallon, but a friend of a friend asked me to make a video about it and asked me if I could get a ride together. And I put it out there, and of course, I just met all y'all folks this morning. So everybody, thank y'all very much. Some of y'all knew Fallon personally, I didn't. So I want to tell y'all thank you. Hey, let's go do something nice for this family because they need it. So thank y'all. Y'all ready? We can get on.
All right.
All right, kinfolk, we're about to head out, man, and we are going to actually ride by Fallon's house per request of family. So that's where we're headed now.
Thank you, brother. I appreciate it, man. Cops are here. Cops are here. They're about to kick us out. About to kick us out. You gonna be able to get out of here quick enough?
I gotta make sure I got my paper.
Look who showed up. If you know, you already know.
Hello, everybody. We're out here.
Harley Fat Boy Jr., baby. All the way from
Oregon.
Down here in Texas.
Down here in Texas.
And he's about to get arrested. Look, he's about to get arrested.
IAH.
Yeah. Look, he's about to get arrested.
Oh, God.
So, hey, man, Harley Fat Boy Jr. came down. Appreciate you, brother.
Appreciate it.
Fallon, for the Fallon benefit. So, along with Big Smitty, man, everybody came out. So, we had an amazing show out, man. That was awesome.
I want to say thank you to Knuckles for coming down. Harley Fat Boy Jr. from Oregon. Got to win the award for the furthest to come in for this. Man, I can't say thank you enough to everybody who came and everybody who came out and donated.
Yeah.
But this was something that was thrown at me about 2 months ago, I think.
Yeah.
Thrown at me about 2 months ago. Knuckles immediately text messaged me the day I put it out and said, hey man, what can I do? I didn't ask him. I didn't say, dude, I need your help. Knuckles came to me and said, Smitty, let me help you. That means the world, man, it touches my heart. We didn't know Fallon, we don't know the family, but we know the need, and we know there's going to be a time where every one of us is going to be in that same spot where we're going to need help, and hopefully somebody do the same thing. So
Absolutely.
Thank you, Knuckles. Thank you to everybody that came out. I appreciate it.
Yeah, I want to thank everybody that came out as well, and Smitty, you know, anytime, man, that's what this community is about, brother, is helping each other and putting forth what we need to put forth to make sure everybody can get some kind of help. You know, whatever little bit we can do, we always try to do something. So we appreciate it, man. And so that's it. Hey, Kim folk, I hope y'all enjoy the rest of the video. I'm just gonna let it roll out, man. And all the people that are here are here for Fallon. So much love, and we'll see you on the next one. See you.
Oh yeah, we got
What the hell's going on here?
my prison wallet game's strong.
So what happens here is, if you make a donation, then you can put somebody in jail. Then another friend has to make a donation to get him out of jail. He's in trouble. He's in trouble.